And welcome back. Well, it was a chilly day across our viewing area. Temperatures didn't get out of the 60s. We officially reached 69 degrees this afternoon. 46 was this morning's low, so a chilly start to your day. Of course, no precipitation, and we have a little while to go before we're going to see any more. And talking next week is our best chance right now, so kind of spoiling a little bit of your forecast. Visible satellite today, just a few high clouds that moved on in. This is along a tropical disturbance kind of on the northern fringe of it that we'll talk about here in just a second. Thankfully, as Kim talked about earlier, we're probably not going to see anything out of this tropical system except maybe some clouds. Tonight, though, it's not going to help us. Temperatures are going to be once again chilly in the mid 40s. Winds we have the northeast 5-10 miles per hour under partly cloudy skies, and your highs for tomorrow will be just like today in the lower 70s. Winds still out of the east northeast. It's going to be a beautiful Friday, just a little chilly outside, so you will need a jacket. And now let's shift to our tropics. All right, so we've been talking about this. We have a potential tropical cyclone 16. That's its official name. Doesn't really matter. We talked yesterday that we had about a 60% chance of development. Now, right now, for all intents and purposes, we believe that this will develop into at least a tropical depression, if not a tropical storm, over the next 12 to 24 hours. Now, it's kind of right on the edge of becoming tropical or subtropical. You don't really need to know that difference, but it's kind of a weird intermission between the two is what we're looking at. And we have this surface low, or excuse me, this mid to upper level low sitting over central Texas. These two are going to, models are still in kind of a disagreement about this, but models right now have this kind of coalescing out along the Gulf Coast. Now, for us, we're going to have plenty of shear, plenty of flow from the northwest, and so that should keep pretty much all the rain down to our southeast for us on this. Still nice to know, though, that we still are, again, in hurricane season, so we have to watch out for that. I'll show you on our future radar going into tomorrow. You can see most of that rain just remains down to our south before it finally starts to blow on up over into portions of Alabama and Georgia. This will make landfall somewhere potentially along the Florida coast. So that's what we're watching out for. Our main rainfall totals, as we put this into motion, will be going into your Monday time frame, really your Monday, Tuesday time frame, as we have a pretty stout cold front that's looking to roll on through. So let's kind of piece it together here. There's that tropical disturbance down in the Gulf of Mexico. We're watching the jet stream up to the north, still out in the Pacific. This is going to make a dive down to the south, and we're going to get a closed low pressure, which closed low just means that this is a strong low pressure system that's going to form over the Rockies and move on off to the east. And that's going to have a cold front along with it. Now, right now, there are some indications that we could have some severe weather out of this. We're seeing some of the signs that we see normally during the spring into your summer time frame, where we're looking at plenty of wind shear. That's just the turnings of winds as you go up in the atmosphere, plenty of energy, plenty of instability. And so right now we have a slight risk over all of our viewing area. Now we are going to refine this some. Again, we're still 5 days out from this officially, so we'll keep you up to date as we get closer to your Monday. So here we go into your weekend. Temperatures remaining in the 70s until Sunday. It's going to be a little humid outside. Temperatures in the lower 80s for your Sunday, lower 80s for your Monday as well. There's that chance for some showers and thunderstorms, again, potentially severe. We'll be watching closely. And then temperatures bottom out once again, lower 70s for Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Overnight lows once again back into the 40s.